Hey guys, now you may think that the L-sit is really intimidating, but honestly, it isn't. If you do this workout routine the next 30 days straight, trust me, you're going to be able to L-sit in no time. So hit that like and subscribe button and join me in the workout. Let's go. Now the first component to unlocking the L-sit is hamstring flexibility. If you have tight and weak hamstrings, no matter what you do, you'll just never be able to get into that L-sit position. So therefore, we're going to be working on our hamstring flexibility with the first exercise, touching our toes. So all we're simply going to do is just bend down, and from this position, you're just going to stay like this for 30 seconds. So when you're doing this exercise, you really want to make sure that your hands are touching the ground, your fingers are touching the ground, or your toes, and you are keeping your legs straight. Now, if you put your feet closer together, it will be a lot harder, but still, you always want to make sure that you're doing proper form. Now we're going to give it our last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that was a simple exercise, just touching our toes. And this is not only going to strengthen our hamstrings, but it's also going to give them that stretch and that range of motion that is required for the L-sit. And the next component to unlocking the L-sit is hip flexor strength. Now, our hip flexors are responsible for bringing our legs up to our torso, which is commonly mistaken for with the abdominal muscles. So the stronger your hip flexors are, the more that you'll be able to hold your body in that L-sit position. So for this exercise, all we're going to do is we're going to keep our legs straight, and we're going to bring one leg up, and then bring it back down, and then alternate both legs. Or if this is too easy for you, you can just do both legs like this. Of course, it's going to be a lot harder. At the same time, when you're in the L-sit position, you're going to have both legs out anyways. So you really want to practice what you're trying to achieve. So choose a progression that's easier for you, and we're going to do 30 reps, 15 on each side. Let's go for it. And if it's still too easy, you can really just bring your legs up and down like this. And to make it harder, you don't even have to touch the ground. You can literally just bring your legs down like that, and then bring it up. And essentially, this is all what an L-sit really is. We're gonna get our last reps, and 1. Ooh. So that was seated leg raises, really strengthened our hip flexor right there, which is critical for the L-sit. Now finally, the last and arguably the most important part to unlocking your L-sit is abdominal exercises. Your abdominals are responsible for making sure your back doesn't arch, keeping your body straight, and also assisting your hips in keeping your legs up. So the stronger your abdominals are, the easier the L-sit will be altogether. Now there are many abdominal exercises that you can do in trying to unlock the L-sit, such as hanging, seated, laying down, or even plank position. But the two most beneficial for achieving the L-sit is either hanging L-sits or seated L-sits, where you push your body off the ground. Now unfortunately, I do not have a bar, so instead I'm going to go get 2 dumbbells. So you can either keep them down like this, or up like this, or if you do not have 2 dumbbells, you can get a chair, you can get pretty much whatever, as long as you have something to prop your body off of the ground with. And then all we're going to do, tuck in our legs like this, and keep them off the ground. Now, if that's too hard for you, you can just do it for 5 seconds, go back onto the ground, and then keep doing that until you reach the full 30 seconds. But for everybody else, I want you to be able to do this for 30 seconds with me, starting now. So from this position, all you want to do is just really engage your core. Three, 2, and 1. Woo! But this is a really good exercise for your core, developing that 6-pack as well, and really just giving your body the strength to perform the L-sit. So that is it for trying to unlock the L-sit. And if you practice those 3 exercises every single day for the next 30 days, I guarantee you that by the end of the 30 days, you're going to be able to at least hold an L-sit for 3 seconds. So if you really enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Out.